everybody, I've made it to London, and when a lot of people think of London, they think of Big Ben and the London Bridge. But when I come to London, it's for the tech scene. And over the last few days, I've met some of the most talented artificial intelligence programmers that I've ever met, and they're all under the age of 18. That's crazy. Their names are Luca, Peter, and Kieran, and in this video, you'll get to learn a little more about them. First is Luca Marshall, a 17-year-old that codes for social good and has been referred to as a modern-day X-Man by Johnny Penn, a New York Times best-selling author. We're going to talk to Luca a little bit about an app that he's working on called Vantage News. Its focus is to help people understand each other's varied perspectives.
My name's Luca. I'm a web developer. I've been working on a project called Vantage. It's a mobile app. It's all about showing different perspectives on the same news stories that are happening currently. Most people get their news from like one source, and it's all about trying to get a more balanced news diet, so you're exposed to different perspectives, and also it kind of eliminates fake news to an extent, because if you're getting multiple perspectives, you're able to see anomalies in a particular perspective, and there's a lot of benefits to it, and that's going really well. You can actually download it, Vantage News, on the App Store.
Next is Kieran, and he's dropped out of high school to put all his focus just on learning about artificial intelligence and teaching other teenagers about it.
Hi, my name is Kieran. I'm 16 years old, and in this bootcamp I've been running the workshops and teaching them, and also being a mentor in the challenges. On the second day, we did neural networks. We first went through a basic MNIST neural network in Jupyter Notebook, and it was just one layer, one fully connected layer. And that just gave them an insight of how neural networks work and what deep learning is, and also what deep learning can be used for. In the afternoon, we did a neural networks challenge where they had to, in Keras, using TensorFlow backend, had to create a image classifier to classify the Kaggle cats versus dogs dataset.
Finally, this is Peter He. He's 17 and the co-founder of Teens in AI, an initiative that I've been volunteering at since I've arrived in London, with the mission to teach teenagers about artificial intelligence. He's crazy smart.
Well, I started off in rendering and graphics, which was fun, it was mathematical, it was my jam. I then went into virtual reality, got kind of disenchanted with virtual reality after a few years, and I'm not going to say the word. And then I moved into AI, because like the sort of stuff you have in rendering and AI is really similar, or just computing in general. So, yeah.
So to backtrack a little bit, how old are you?
Oh, I'm 17.
And he can also simplify these complex concepts to a level that 7-year-olds can understand.
The question is, how can we teach AI to a bunch of kids who don't know any maths? And the answer is, we're going to just use Excel and just show them the inner workings of the ML until it somehow clicks. I enjoy inclusive learning. Teachers take note, inclusive learning. What I basically was like, what do you want to do? And they started making jokes about potatoes. I don't think they thought that would actually become the point of the exercise. But yes, the final test was whether this guy who looked like a potato by everyone else's standards would be classified by the computer as a potato or a human. And he was classified as a human.
Okay. So not only are all of these guys really smart, but they spend their free time teaching others what they know. And I think that's really admirable. Thanks for listening.